Yo, it's your main man Ty, coming back with something that y'all requested. This is a request video, okay? Now, right now, I'm bringing this bad boy out right here, okay? It's the Bestbomg Barber Series Clippers, okay? But this is honestly the Ty Star Horror Series Clipper. In this bad boy right now, I'm gonna show you what's in this. This was a request. So I went ahead and got these bad boys. Okay, I got these bad boys because one of my viewers said, Ty, get these bad boys. Let me know, because no one tells me how they cut. I don't know what they do. Are they good or not? Yo, I went ahead and got these bad boys right here. Okay, you see them skulls in that bad boy? Look at them skulls in this bad boy. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Now on this bad boy right here, I went ahead and checked it out. When I first got it, I opened it up, I looked inside, and I said, okay, let me see. I said, it's oil. It's still oil dripping on it. Well, I put some oil on it, so I guess so when I used it. I went ahead also, in here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 guards came with it, okay? Also, you have, let me see. Make sure I got all 4 of these bad boys. So, this one. And make that 6. Make that 6. My bad. 6 guards with this bad boy. Came with this bad right here. And of course, the clipper. Of course, the clipper and the cable. A comb. Goodness, all kind of goodies up in this bad boy. A little brush. You know, and of course, this bad boy right here. So it comes with the gold fade blade, okay? As you can see up close, a gold fade blade. See, look at that. Beautiful. With the gold skulls on the front. 3 gold skulls in the front, basically the Bestbomg. You understand? The Bestbomg Clipper. This bad boy, I cut it on. And listen to it. It's soft. There's a soft sound to it. Understand? I went ahead, checked it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 slots. 5 slots in this bad boy. This bad boy can do it. You can go all the way down and can chew all the way up like no problem at all. This bad boy runs at 6,800 RPMs, okay? You might want to get up in these bad boys. Nice hook handle. It really does a good job. And I really like these clippers. I mean, I really was like, you know, slicing and dicing. It's not too heavy, so it will not weigh you down. Don't worry about your arm getting tired and things like that. It will not weigh you down. It cuts very easily through here. Extremely easy. This blade is very thin. It's very nice. It cuts very well. I gotta give it to him. I was surprised at this one. I thought it was gonna be all show, but no, it's not all show. It's show and go. It can really do some serious buzz sawing through some hair. Understand? It can do a really good job. I mean, you cut it on 1. That's the low level. You're doing 5,500 right there. You're doing 6,800 right there. Okay, you got multiple levels. Put it down about 5,500 for the beginners, y'all. For when you wanna detail. You wanna take your time at the end of your cut to detail. Then you take your time with this bad boy and sharpen it up, clean it all up. Make it look so good when he needs to look through the mirror. He goes, oh my gosh, thank you. It gives you a fat tip. Okay, I'm telling you right now, this is the way to go. Okay, when you wanna chop, go all the way and really cut it up. Okay, this blade is an excellent blade. It's a gold blade matching the gold skulls in the front. It's very good. You might want to get one of these bad boys. Trust me, you will not go wrong. It's not even expensive. You will not go wrong. You will save a lot of money and get a hell of a cut. You understand? And you can do it in no time. It will not get caught up on bulk. You're sitting there forever trying to, get rid of bulk. It can cut through bulk with no problem at all. Trust me, your main man is telling you, yo, this is a hot boy. You got to go ahead and get this bad boy. Don't sleep on it. Now, if you want me to do a video on this bad boy, just let me know. And I will do a video with some intricate cut on this bad one and show you how this thing can really get down. All right? Let you know what time it is. Happy holidays, happy new year, happy 2022. So me and Mentai saying, yo, peace.